Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to switch from iOS 18 beta to the official iOS 18 release. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then go to general, then tap on to software update. If beta updates shows up here, then turn it off and then install the official iOS version. You have to go back to software update and you can see that mine is already saying update to the iOS 18.3.1. just I have to click on this update now option. You will also be with the same option. You just have to update your iPhone and you will now see the official iOS 18 version. Just you have to tap on download and install to update. That's it. Once installed, your iPhone will be on the stable official version and no more on the beta version. So that's it. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time in another video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.